Welcome home to this beautifully remodeled one-level gem, perfectly situated on an oversized lot with a mountain view. This move-in ready residence boasts a host of new features, including a brand new roof, heat pump flooring cabinets, modern lighting, a spacious deck, and insulation that has been installed in both the crawl space and attic. The front porch invites you inside, where you'll be welcomed by an open floor plan adorned with new flooring that flows seamlessly throughout the entire home. The living room is generously sized and bathed in natural light from a large picture window, creating an inviting atmosphere for relaxation or gatherings. The kitchen is designed for convenience and accessibility, featuring all new cabinets and countertop space that will inspire your culinary adventures. You'll love the practicality of the laundry hookup located on the main level, making laundry day a breeze. Entertaining is made easy with the new large sliding glass door that provides access to the expansive deck, perfect for hosting summer barbecues or enjoying outdoor evenings. The bathroom has been completely remodeled, showcasing a stylish shower tub combo and a sleek single vanity. Retreat to the main bedroom, which features a step-in closet, providing ample storage space. Additionally, there are two other bedrooms that offer versatility. One of these could easily be transformed into another bathroom and laundry room combination, catering to your needs.